Alright guys, mic test please. How is everybody? For Friday? Good, good. Alright, let's do a quick recap for yesterday, Thursday the 7th. What trade was it? It was a US CAD, wasn't it? It went pretty well. We decided we wanted to short it. There was a pullback, had a bit of angle to it. We'd like to see that. You don't want to see a pullback with consolidation like that and then try and trade it. We like to see at least some angle. More is better, but a little bit of angle at least. So we had a little bit of angle. We had the move down, had the pullback. We had the best part of a evening star. We then shorted around about, where was our entry here? It actually went against us and almost got our stop. It hit the outer band and missed our stop by probably, I don't know if anyone watched it, but it was 2 or 3 pips. It was pretty close. But the most important thing is it didn't hit the stop. And then it went on to T1 fairly quickly, a little bit of a rest, and then took out T2. So that was a complete trade for plus 1.5 units. Everyone get their profit on this trade? In pips, I think it was about 90 pips in the bag. That was the only trade that we took, but we did contemplate the NZ yen. Did anyone take the NZ yen? We watched it. We actually watched a few yen pairs. They're all setting up. The reason I didn't take this trade, because all the trades that we were looking at, all the yen pairs in the US included, okay, the reason I stayed away from it, we had divergence against us on all setups. There's about 3 or 4 that were possibles, but they all had opposing divergence. And I didn't think it was real smart to go into multiple positions with opposing divergence. That's why I decided not to. If you did take it, it was a nice setup here. Morning star, you would have got to T1. You wouldn't have made full profit, but it still would have been a profitable trade. About 30 odd pip stop, and it went about 40 something. So you would have got to T1 and put some money in the bank. But that's the reason, if you're wondering. I actually typed into the chat last night, tapping myself into NZ yen. That's how close I got to taking the trade. I wrote it in the chat and didn't press it. I deleted it. I thought, no, you know what? Opposing divergence on all of them, it's probably not the smartest thing, so I deleted it. So for those that did, well done for taking the trade on your own. But that was the reason. And it was fine. We got one trade. It's been a fairly quiet week, but also at the same time, rather have no trade than a losing trade, or just take one for the sake of it. And that was it. So now we move on and have a look at what the market's got today.